Hello. So my little greenhouse here got a hole in it. I don't know exactly how it happened, but my guess is we had a lot of strong wind. A branch must have fallen off one of these trees and hit here and caused this rip. So I want to get it fixed because I don't want it tearing any further, and I'm going to use some flex tape. This is the clear version, 4 inches wide, and the reason I'm going to use the flex tape is, you know, basically what it says on TV about being able to seal plastics and all sorts of things, and hopefully this will work really well to keep this sealed up and stay on there, you know, when the wind blows and move this all around. So basically this can be used on all sorts of materials and plastics and stuff according to this wrapper. And what you need to do is measure out a section and peel it off, and then with some very good stickers, very good scissors, cut it. It even says on it, use high quality scissors. So this is about 8 inches long, so I'm gonna go with like a 10-inch piece of Flex Seal. That's about right there. And as you can see, I have some sharp scissors here, and it is having a little bit of difficulty cutting through. So, good razor blade of scissors, a must. And it's not sticky because you're supposed to peel off and then stick that on. Yes, I'm going to cut off this end right here. I was initially starting it. That wasn't a very good cut. Again, these are good scissors for most things, but not for cutting this. So I would suggest a really good razor blade or really good scissors for making these cuts. So this is what it is actually, how much there is. You've got this big tube, but the tube cardboard itself is almost as thick as the amount of flex tape you get. So you're not getting that much tape. So it's not like you're getting a big roll of duct tape to do stuff with. This is, it looks like maybe 4 or 5 layers around this. So that's where you pay your money. It's not a lot of tape for this, for the cost here, but for what it does, I guess that's what you're paying for instead of duct tape that'll rip apart. There you go. All right. Alright, after you get it on there, you need to get the air bubbles out. And they suggest using a squeegee to get it as tight as possible. I got wrinkles in the fabric. It's not making it particularly easy to get the air bubbles out. Especially like right there, there's a big air bubble. And there's still plenty of air bubbles in there, but I don't think I'm going to be able to get them out. No, that's the plastic on the greenhouse is a little bit too wrinkly to get all those air bubbles out. So it's a rubbery tape. It feels like having like 4 layers of regular Scotch tape or something like that. And even though it's transparent, right now it doesn't look that transparent. It is, I mean, it is pretty much. But it's covered up the entire rip. I think that's all together. And the seal will be stronger after 48 hours and stronger still after that. And for this particular case, this is a permanent fix unless I replace the overall plastic, which I don't plan on doing anytime soon because I just put it up. And hopefully I would like this for the last a few more seasons before having problems with it. But this is flex tape as seen on TV, fixing a tear in my greenhouse. Thanks for joining.